Welcome to Macar. We're on the edge of Inverness and standing beside our workshop facility. The workshop itself was built by ourselves last summer. It uses only Highland timber in its construction, both inside and out. We use this facility to make panels and other structural frames for our houses. The idea being that we make more or less everything inside, so we can work in all weathers and all seasons, and then we take the completed components out and we erect buildings very quickly. Normally we can build a house in between 2 to 4 days. An example of the materials that we're using is this birch here, which has been planked, and the intention is to use this for the production of dowels. Up till now, in putting our dowel lamb together, we've had to import dowels from Germany or Switzerland, and which was fine as far as it goes, but what we're keen to do now is source the two main materials from the Highlands. So we've cut these boards. They'll be cut into roughly 25mm squares, and then we'll form them into dowels through a spindle moulder. One of the reasons that we're interested in this whole timber product development, and the dowel lamb in particular, is to look at the materials we have and add value to them. So we have, for instance, we've got hardwood materials in Scotland, which are generally, not always, but in many cases wasted, and we could actually be using them for a higher grade of purpose. Our investigations into the way the Europeans have developed products is that the development of a laminated product like this with dowels has gone hand in hand with progress with off-site construction techniques. Now, Macar is interested in assimilating some of this material, so long as it makes sense to do so in our construction process. So we're investigating this at the moment, and the idea is to integrate it directly into the way in which we're building. So we're keen to look at that. One of the reasons that we're able to undertake this work is with the support of Edinburgh Napier University and the Centre for Off-Site Construction and Innovative Structures. Without the support of the centre, it'd be very, very difficult for us to progress this type of work. We've noticed in our travels in Europe that type of arrangement, where you have a university and a private company working together, is the norm in Europe. And I think what we're doing with Edinburgh Napier is an example of universities and companies working closely together for a common purpose.